Hello my fellow gearheads, today I'm here with a modified version of the LEGO Technic 42138 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. The first thing I modified is actually the height of the headlights, which have been raised one plate higher, but afterwards you can't lock the front lip of the hood that low, so it gives it totally different angle, which is not accurate to the real one. The second change is that I managed to squeeze in front steering, so you have tight turning radius and everything works as smoothly as possible. And the last part is about the additional V8 engine that has been squeezed inside the bonnet. Of course the bonnet had to be modified, otherwise it wouldn't have enough clearance for the pistons to move up and down, but right now everything works totally smooth. The only downside of this is that the bonnet needed to end up slightly higher than before, but from the side look it doesn't look too bad, and the same goes for the front, I hope. Would you like to get the modification instructions for free? If yes, hit the thumbs up button, don't forget to leave a comment, and if you are new over here, please do me a favor and subscribe to the channel. That way you can help me to provide some more free content for you. Until next time everybody, stay safe, take care, and bye bye.